Tesla's navigation system is a core feature designed specifically for electric vehicles. It optimizes routes, integrates supercharger stops, and offers advanced trip planning. This video will guide you through setting destinations, utilizing superchargers, and planning efficient trips using Tesla's navigation system. There are three main ways to set a destination in your Tesla. First, through the touchscreen, tap the navigation icon on the central display, enter an address or point of interest, or select a saved favorite. Second, use voice commands. Say, "Navigate to destination" or "Take me home." The system uses natural language processing to understand your commands. Third, use the Tesla mobile app. Plan your route remotely and send it directly to your car. Tesla navigation automatically suggests supercharger stops on long trips when your battery range is insufficient. The system prioritizes the fastest superchargers and considers wait times to optimize your trip. You can manually add or remove supercharger stops and view charger details like speed and availability directly on the screen. Visual overlays display charge levels and estimated charging times to keep you informed. Tesla's navigation system constantly monitors real-time traffic conditions and automatically reroutes your vehicle to avoid congestion or road hazards. When traffic builds up, the system identifies alternative routes and seamlessly redirects you, ensuring you arrive on time. The navigation also adjusts for weather conditions, such as rain or storms, by selecting routes that minimize energy use and improve safety. This dynamic rerouting optimizes your trip for energy efficiency, helping you reach your destination faster while conserving battery power. Tesla's navigation seamlessly integrates with full self-driving supervised mode. This allows the system to automatically navigate to your destination without requiring constant driver intervention. On approved roads, the vehicle can drive itself while following the navigation route. This makes long trips more convenient and reduces driver fatigue. The system includes dynamic rerouting around hazards, automatically adjusting the path to avoid obstacles while staying on course to your destination. In urban environments, FSD provides smoother driving experiences with better handling of traffic patterns and intersections. To maximize efficiency, pre-plan your trips using the Tesla app and send the route to your car. This allows you to set destinations and stops in advance, ensuring optimal routing. Regularly check for software updates to ensure you have the latest navigation features and improvements. Updates often include better routing algorithms and supercharger integrations. Monitor energy consumption and adjust your driving style to conserve battery life on longer journeys. Watch for factors like speed, climate control, and elevation that affect range. Consider using Navigate on autopilot where available. This feature allows your Tesla to automatically adjust speed and lane position for optimal energy efficiency during navigation. If you encounter issues with navigation accuracy, ensure your car's software is up to date. Tesla frequently releases updates like version 12.5 that improve navigation reliability and fix known bugs. For problems in rural areas where navigation may not work properly, check your internet connection. Tesla navigation relies on real-time data and a stable connection for accurate routing and updates. If supercharger information appears inaccurate, such as wrong availability or speeds, report it through the Tesla mobile app. This helps Tesla update their network data quickly. Always double-check the route before starting your trip, especially in unfamiliar areas. Compare it with other navigation sources, if needed, to ensure safety and accuracy.